Today, you will learn how to remove the Keep Lines Together setting in Microsoft Word. You may notice that an entire paragraph is being pushed to the next page even though there appears to be enough room for some of the lines on the current page. This often happens because the Keep Lines Together setting has been enabled for that paragraph. To remove this setting, click anywhere inside the paragraph. If you want to remove it from several paragraphs at once, simply select all the paragraphs you want to modify. Once selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the Paragraph section, click the small arrow located in the bottom right corner. This opens the Paragraph dialog box, which contains additional formatting settings. In the Paragraph dialog box, click the Line and Page Breaks tab. Here, you will see several options that control how text behaves across pages. Look for the checkbox labeled Keep Lines Together. If the box is checked, it means Word is trying to keep all the lines of that paragraph on the same page. To remove this behavior, simply uncheck the box and click OK. After disabling the option, Word can now split the paragraph naturally between pages when necessary. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.